Good morning. This is my breakfast. Mahilig ako sa seafoods. Ito lang kasi palaging makakaya sa bulsa. That's why it's only 10 pesos. Busog na busog ka na. Agar-agar. Okay. 1 bell pepper, 1 tomato, 1 onions, at saka dato puti. Sobrang sarap nito. Ito lang palaging makakaya, at saka isda, minsan naman karne. Meat is not good to our health if we eat always. We need vegetables and fruits in our body. That's why lagi nyo akong nakikita na lagi akong kumakain nito. This is for the good health. Okay. This is agar-agar salad. Sarap ito. Try to test. Asin. Add small amount of salt. Good morning. Okay, I try to test. Sarap. Parang ako.